Welcome to our video on understanding payable-on-death or POD bonds after an inheritance. We'll cover what POD bonds are, how to redeem them, and the tax implications you should be aware of. In this video, we will explore several key aspects: understanding POD bonds, the process for redeeming and transferring them, the tax implications involved, state-specific considerations, and some additional tips. Let's begin with the definition of POD bonds. POD stands for Payable-on-Death, which is a specific designation that can be added to savings bonds. These bonds are immediately transferred to the named beneficiary when the owner dies, effectively avoiding the probate process, which is known for being time-consuming and expensive. Next, we dive into the redemption process of POD bonds. It's important to know that paper bonds must be converted into an electronic format using TreasuryDirect.gov before they can be redeemed. Following the redemption process, you should be aware of the tax implications. Any interest earned on POD bonds is taxable as income for the beneficiary. Generally, inheritance taxes do not apply unless the estate surpasses a significant valuation. Consulting a tax professional is strongly recommended for personalized tax advice. It's quiz time! What is required before redeeming a paper POD bond? These are your options. A. Pay taxes. B. Probate process. C. Electronic transfer using TreasuryDirect.gov. D. Legal counseling. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is C. Electronic transfer using TreasuryDirect.gov. Before redeeming paper POD bonds, you need to convert them into an electronic format using TreasuryDirect.gov. It's important to note that while federal rules generally apply to POD bonds, some states may have additional considerations. Consulting a financial advisor or legal expert familiar with laws in your state, like Pennsylvania, is advisable for full compliance. Here are some additional tips. Keep all bond records, including the death certificate. You can visit TreasuryDirect.gov for assistance with electronic transfers. Lastly, consider seeking professional financial or legal advice when dealing with inheritance complexities. In summary, POD bonds simplify the inheritance process by avoiding probate, require electronic conversion for redemption, have taxable interest considerations, and may be subject to state-specific regulations. Keeping these points in mind will help you navigate the process smoothly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.